Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. And here we have the Realme GT5Pro, the new flagship model from Realme, and this time they provide a very cost-effective Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor with Sony IMX890 telephoto snap phone king. And this time we have the Rockstar, the red rock edition, and the back panel is kind of leather material, and also the camera zone is bumped up circle camera, and this time it gets a very powerful specifications, and also the size is very nice, and the cover screen, and also here we can find it the basic dimensions about this phone is 16175 and 9.23, and the weight is only 224 grams. And also the front side we can check find the screen is a cover screen, 6.78 inch, 144 Hz, 1.5K display resolution, and this is one of the best screen in the market you can find at this price range, less than $500. And here more information about this smartphone. Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor with LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. And this time we get 60GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. And also the screen is 450 ppi and 2780 by 1264 display resolution, and it's one of the best screen in the market you can find, and the touch rate 360. And it supports PMW, TWM, and DC timing. They use the PTO poncho screen as well. It can be protect your eyes. And beside the screen, this time the GT5 Pro powered front camera 32 megapixel IMX615 and 50 megapixel camera, 4P lens, 8 megapixel wide angle and 50 megapixel telephoto lens. Support OIS. They use the IMX890. So I think it's one of the most affordable smartphone powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and together IMX890. So this is actually very powerful, and also besides the camera, this time they provide a 5400 battery with 100 watt capable fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging. And here are pictures about the sample test, camera test about the phone. And also the IMX890 is a periscope telephoto camera. And here are the promote mode of the camera. And about the processor, this time the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, CPU and GPU, AI performance and GPU consumption all improved, and the GPU energy consumption reduced 25%. And also there was some very funny functions like the air control. You can use your hand to control the smartphone easily without touch it, like this. Here we do this, and it will recognize the gesture, and you can use this to control some special applications like the Kuaishou and TikTok Chinese edition. So this is very funny. Okay, try again. You slide. Okay, not successful this time. Yes. So yes, you can find it's very interesting, and similar functions we also found through other brands like Huawei, but it's very convenient. And also about the screen, I forgot to mention this time they used very new technology. They work with GDI to provide a 4500 nit bright peak brightness screen. This is totally a new technology, first used in smartphone. Here are more pictures. Let's enjoy it.